Have you ever wondered why there's an AI assistant volume bar on your Galaxy phone and what it actually controls? If you have used Samsung phone for years, this might look new, but it's actually the evolution of the old Bixby volume, now expanded for Galaxy AI. Let me show you what it does and how to adjust it properly. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen, tap Sound and Vibration, tap Volume. Here you will see 6 volume slider, ringtone, media, notification, system, AI assistant, and alarm. Use the AI assistant slider to adjust the volume for Bixby voice responses, Galaxy AI spoken feedback, AI summarize read aloud, or other AI voice interaction. You can also adjust AI assistant volume by pressing the volume up or down key, then tap the three dots on the volume panel to expand all volume slider, including AI assistant. As a note, in older Samsung phone, this was called Bixby volume. Now it's renamed AI assistant because it's control all AI related audio, not just Bixby. So if your phone's AI sounds too loud or too quiet, don't touch media or system, adjust the AI assistant volume instead. It's basically Bixby volume upgraded for Galaxy AI. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.